this is Brenda dessert from around the world, and today's destination is Jamaica. I'll be trying the recipe for Jamaica cake. So let's get started. To start, you're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just gonna mix up the dry ingredients together. Once your dry ingredients are mixed together, then you're gonna add 1 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I got 1 can of pineapple, chopped pineapple, and this is 20-ounce can, so you're just gonna add all of it together. Now you want to mix all this together. Now when your batter is well mixed, you're going to add, this is 8 ounces of pecans, chopped pecans. I'm going to add the whole thing. I love pecans. And you want to fold that in. Now you want to like at least 2 to 3 bananas, and you want to chop these up. And add it to your batter. Now once you mix your banana well into the batter, then I have a bundt pan that I'm just gonna pour inside. I already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and this might take 45 to an hour. Always depends on your oven. So my cake just came out of the oven. It took an hour, and to know if it's ready, just stick a toothpick, and if it comes out clear, it's ready. Now we're gonna wait until it cools down for a little bit, and we're gonna flip it out. It's time to flip the cake out. I have a cake board. I'm just gonna place it on top. Hopefully it comes out beautifully. And we're gonna flip it. Still a little hot. it came out beautiful. Now it's still a little hot. I'm gonna let it cool down to room temperature. Then we're gonna put powdered sugar. Now the cake has cooled down, and I'm just gonna decorate it with powdered sugar. Some people like to put cinnamon sugar on top, but I'm just gonna keep it simple and just put powdered sugar. It's time to cut a piece. Nope, some it came out. Time for a taste test. This cake came out so delicious. Definitely 10 out of 10. I love the pecans, the pineapple, so soft. Perfect cake to make for the holidays and so easy to make. And if you do try it, let me know, comment below. And like always, I see you guys in my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.